guys, I'm going to tell you the recipe for easy burger. Let's start. First, we need to put some butter. I put some oil all around. Now we should put some onion into the pan. And we should put some French beans. And we should put some garlic. And we need to roast it. Until it turns golden brown. I have grated the boiled potatoes and I am going to put this in the pan. And stir it. Now I am putting little salt, little pepper, little chili powder, and little chaat masala, and I am going to put some dry mango powder, and I am going to mix it. And now have stirred the potatoes, and I am going to leave it to cool down to the room temperature. And after that, I am going to make it into patties. I have mixed maida with water with some oil, and I have taken breadcrumbs. And I have made patties from the potatoes. And you have to see if these patties fit in the bun, or else you have to change the size. Now we'll dip it in the maida paste. Now I'm now going to put this in the breadcrumbs. Now I'm frying the patty. Have done the patty. Now we have to fry the bun. Now we have put butter on the pan. Now we are going to put the bun. Now I have fried the buns. Now I am going to put the tandoori sauce on the bun. And I am going to spread it. Now I am going to put onions. I now place the patty. As I place the patty, I am going to put this on the top. And the burger is ready. It's great.